If you didn't understand the last one, it's okay, let me show you another one. Delete all of the labels, and then we do this skylight windows, okay? We go to offset curve again. Select the surface. Before it, we need to add all of the other objects. Then we use offset curve again. Select offset curve and select have a edge. Choose through point. Find a good position to create our line. Cool. And then this one. Now I need to trim the lines again. Make sure you need to open your apparent intersections here. Draw another line to trim the lines. And then we use adjustable blend curve, this one. Adjustable curve blend, select it. First one and second one. Remember, we need to select trim and join options here. First endpoint, second endpoint, click OK. Cool. And then we use this line to trim the surface. Click enter when you finish the trim. Then we use extrude curve normal to surface. Select the curve. Oops, let me do it again. Select the curve. And then read your command bar. Select base surface because I didn't select my base surface, so I can't extrude it. You can click it when you set your distance, but also we can input a number. Because the arrow is towards to the right side, so we need to input minus 0.2, maybe it's too big. Maybe minus 0.05. Then we press enter. Okay, click it. Minus 0.05. Press enter. Cool. We get the thickness of here. We use patch to create the windows again. 40 by 40 and automatic trim. Cool. Click OK. Change the layer. We finished this skylight. Let me finish the last one. Still use offset curve command. Select the edge, through point. This side, through point. Draw lines to trim the lines. Cool. So we delete the lines. And this one, we use adjustable curve blend. Go to edit curve. Select it, first point, second point, press enter. First endpoint, second endpoint, press enter. Oh. So we trim the surface. We use extrude curve normal to surface. Go to surface tools and we choose the command, select the curve, select surface and minus 0.04, press enter, press enter. Use patch to create the window again. Press enter. If we use adjustable tangency, let us see what will happen. it will be a curved surface. Okay, void back. Press enter to repeat the command. Turn off adjust tangency. Change the object to this layer. And we can adjust the material. We can choose another new customer material. Change transparency maybe to 60 or 70. 70 is good. And then let us show all of the objects. We finished all of the skylights. And now we are doing the entrance. As you can see, the entrance has a thickness, this part, right? So we can select the surface first, and then we go to the top view. Copy and paste, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, we drag them to get the thickness. Cool. And just fold back. And select this one. Select another surface. Select both of them. And then we hide all of the other objects again. Double check the thickness of them. A little bit more. Cool. We can go to the front view to draw our form of the entrance. Disable the snap bar and use curve tool. Oh, and then we can adjust the form by using these control points. I just leave it like this. Select the lines, we go to perspective view. Then we trim it, trim the surface. Cool. Let's fold back. I use the outside curved line to trim the outside surface. And then I use the inside surface to trace the behind surface. How can we connect these two surfaces? We use blend surface, right? Go to edit surface tools, this one. To blend surface. Select the edge of the surface. Choose number 2 into position here. We can also adjust the form. And we need to edit the bottom control points. Read your command bar. Select control point to adjust. Hold Alt and move handle to adjust angle. Hold Alt command and select the point. We can go to the front view. And we can set it to the ground. It's already on the ground point. Then we set the next one. And then we do another side. There is one more point. You can trim this bottom part, but basically we did the right version one. Turn on the objects. We need to do the last surface now. What command can we use? We can use sweep to rules, right? And also we can use create surface by full side of edge. Let us find it. this one. Create surface from 2, 3, or 4 surface edge. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Both we made a surface. Change all of this glass surface into the glass layer. Change object layers. Delete all of the lines. We had them. And then we go to the rendered mode. Oh, it's very smooth surface building. Basically, we have finished this main part of the building model. Let us review our architecture principles and see if we follow the principles. First, we draw the outline of the building, right? Because it is not a geometric building. And then we considered how to make our surface. For this model, we used loft comment to build the top surface, and the side surface we use sweep to use, right? And then we are going to learn how to break up complicated surface relations. And then we do the parts first. When we created the top surface, we split them into several pieces, and then we do them separately and connect them together. Cool. This is the logic when we build the model, not only for this one. When you do your project, you should also consider how to build your models. By following this logic, it will make your model much easier. In the next tutorial, we are doing the smaller model for this project. Thank you guys.